for read and write tags. There are also some kits available for build your own tag. In February, will be released a similar tool, OpenRFID interface, which is a universal programmable sniffer, reader, writer, designed under the same preset, ultra low cost, simpleness. So everything this is released under GPL. If you need some more information, just go here and check it. Thank you very much for listening.
Okay, we are updating the wiki now, and we're updating a text file to display on the beamer. And we know you were on time here, and we are very sorry because we worked until 4 in the morning and now have to change everything. And we know you're angry and disappointed, but please don't attack our machine. It only takes longer. So just leave our machines alone. I have here some attacks, so please, I'm really sorry, but please don't attack the machine. We need it.
Does it pop up? Does it pop up? Yeah. Right, great. So, wo seid ihr hier? Hier sehe ich euch nicht. Ah. Seht ihr euch? Ich sehe euch gerade nicht hier. Ihr habt das per E-Mail geschickt oder so?
Nee, wir haben einen Link geschickt.
Einen Link geschickt, ja. Ich suche jetzt nach einem PDF, deswegen habe ich das nicht im Kopf, dass jetzt ein Link. Welchen Link habt ihr denn?
Hast du Netz?
Nein? Okay. Sag das doch. Ich habe es einfach nicht alles
okay. Dann machen andere vielleicht vorher und wir organisieren so lange die Folie.
Ja, nee, ich könnte ja das auch anstecken und das aufrufen, nur da kann ich wieder nicht dran arbeiten. Also, ihr habt das nur online.
Wir hatten das, genau, wir haben nur einen Link geschickt.
Siehst du, deswegen. Wo war denn nicht gerade auf dem Netz hier? We need to be online and we need to call up on the. Is this online?
We're missing some slides, so.
So, is it easily?
What do you want me to do?
Basically, take the web browser and call up on the URL.
Yeah. Okay.
So, habt ihr einen kurzen Link dafür oder habt ihr irgendwie so einen, ich weiß es nicht mehr.
Where do you want?
Längeren Link?
Kann man da irgendwie sich hinklicken?
Nee, ist nicht verlinkt. No. Mehr? Test. Thanks. Wie habe ich die Datei genannt? PDF. War das das? Test. Aha. Here we are. Shall I just start off? We're ready. Can't hear me? Okay. Go. Welcome. This is NG. I'm Putz. We'd like to give you a short introduction into Schleuder, which is a crypto mailing list manager with some remailer capabilities. Schleuder, by the way, is the German word for a slingshot. One word on the motivation for this talk. We want first you to use it. We consider this working, stable, useful software. There should be more use of privacy-enhancing software out there. Second, we want your feedback. We want bug reports. We want you to tear our code apart or rant about the usability or whatever. A short overview of the concept. First of all, it's designed as a tool for group communication by email. So a bunch of subscribers can use it as an ordinary mailing list manager, having an open PGP-enabled mailing list that takes care of redistributing encrypted content. But part of the plan is also to have an interface with the world, which means Schleuder can receive and send emails to the outside by specially crafted emails. So basically, it's from the inside an ordinary mailing list, from the outside, it's an ordinary mailbox or address or something. And by this means, it enables also groups, for example, to enhance their privacy and obscurity, because they can hide behind this software, which is invisible from the outside. It's written in Ruby. It's really licensed under the GNU GPL version 2. And here are some more details.
It's completely MTA. It's completely MTA agnostic, so you can use it with any MTA. We know that it runs with Exim, Qmail, and Postfix, but you can also use it, hook it into Procmail or whatever. It identifies the mailing list members by their signature and not by their email address. So we use the cryptographic capabilities to identify the sender. It stripes, it resends the mails as a new email, so it stripes off headers and so on. It is extendable through plugins. You can have plugins to send special command emails, to send emails to the outside, to do whatever you like to implement in your plugin. It works reliable so far. We have a couple of lists running with it, and it works great for us. The remote administration works through special crafted emails, or you can optionally have a web interface to administrate it, but this is totally optional, and you can administrate everything by sending signed and encrypted email. The web interface looks like that. Simple. You can just set the basic options.
Of course, there's some problems besides the not found bugs and the features missing, which is the last point already. First of all, you of course have to trust in the server. There's a private key on the server. This is a problem by design, one could say. We decided to do so because we found it still the most pragmatic and best working option. It means you have to really trust the server. And you, of course, shouldn't run this software without an encrypted file system, because at least at the moment, the secret key is stored on disk. We are discussing several solutions for it, but so far we haven't come up with any really reliable working. Same issue with scalability for large lists. We have lists with around 70 subscribers, which is not a problem. We expect problems when using it with several hundred subscribers, and well, we also have ideas on that, but we need more research and experience.